Right in here. It goes right in there. That's it. Goes right in there. There you go. Try it again. Goes right in there. There you go.
Yay!
Here's the other one. Here. No, that one goes right here. Here. Don't make a deal. Here, grab hold of it. It goes right here. Oh, you don't want to do that one. You just want that blue one. Okay. Yeah, put it back in there. Goes in there. You like it like that?
Gonna put the square one in a round hole, are you? You're learning early.
Yay!
Yay!
She looks at you like, what's so difficult about this?
Now see if you can get her to put the square one in.
Here, let's do this one. Here. Let's put this one in here. Look like this. Here. Put it in here. That's it. Put it in that one. Here. Put it in that one. This one right here.
That was a little more difficult.
You have to turn it like, there it is. There you go.
Yay!
Yay. That's good. That one goes right here. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yay! That's a good girl.